Understanding, Coveting the Crown, a deep dive into ambition and desire. Hello and welcome, dear learners. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the phrase, coveting the crown. This intriguing expression is not just about royalty or literal crowns. It's a metaphor that's rich with meaning, ambition, and the human condition. So, let's delve deep into this phrase, uncover its layers, and understand how it applies to both historical contexts and our modern-day aspirations. Coveting the crown refers to the intense desire or longing to attain a position of power, authority, or status, much like that of a king or queen. However, it's important to note that this phrase goes beyond the literal desire for royalty. It symbolizes the human ambition for the highest attainable achievement in one's field or life. The word covet implies a strong desire for something that belongs to another. When combined with the crown, it evokes the idea of aspiring to reach the pinnacle of success, often at great personal cost or by desiring what others have. Historically, coveting the crown could be seen in the context of actual royal succession and power struggles. Many historical narratives and dramas are filled with tales of individuals who went to great lengths, sometimes employing deceit or treachery, to seize the throne. In a modern context, the phrase can be applied to various scenarios, be it climbing the corporate ladder, achieving fame and entertainment, or securing a leadership position in politics. It highlights a universal theme, the quest for excellence and the challenges that accompany it. This phrase is perfect for emphasizing ambition or the desire for a top position in a more figurative or metaphorical sense. For example, you might say, "She's been coveting the crown of the company's CEO position for years," to imply someone's long-standing ambition to become CEO. It's a powerful expression that adds depth to conversations about ambition, competition, and success. Remember, while it's a compelling phrase, it also carries connotations of envy and possibly unethical pursuits, so its use should be contextual and thoughtful. As we explore coveting the crown, it's crucial to reflect on the balance between ambition and ethical behavior. Ambition drives us forward, but how we pursue our goals matters. This phrase can serve as a reminder to strive for greatness while maintaining integrity and respect for others. It encourages a discussion about healthy ambition versus obsession or unethical behavior in the pursuit of success. Thank you for joining me in dissecting the phrase, coveting the crown. We've seen how it encapsulates deep human desires for success and recognition, while also reminding us of the importance of the journey and the means to achieve our ends. I hope this exploration has offered you new insights into English expressions and the complex interplay of language, ambition, and morality. Keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, may your pursuits be noble and your ambitions high.